Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this gorgeous Discovery HSE Luxury, which is a 2-litre diesel in Byron Blue. This car's previously had one owner and is next due for a service in December 2021. You have 22-inch diamond turned finish alloys, along with a powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full. As you can see, you've got plenty of space there in the boot. And you do also have 2 extra seats which can be controlled electrically, which is ideal for families or if you often have extra passengers. And going into the back of the vehicle, you have enough space there for 3 passengers, along with ISOFIX brackets on either side, which again is practical for families. A fixed panoramic roof, allowing a lot more light into the car, and you have 8-inch rear seat entertainment, perfect for keeping young children entertained. And going into the front, you have Discovery tread plates and a lovely leather interior which is easy to clean. Another panoramic roof at the front, however this one does open, which is really nice on a sunny day or just if you want some fresh air. Different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving. So you have grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, sand and rock crawl, or you can push it back down for auto. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you've got a rear view camera, along with a 360-degree surround camera, which really makes parking and reversing so easy. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect to your phone. Heated and cooled front seats, which are ideal in winter and summer. And you also have ambient lighting with a few different colours to choose from, which looks effective in the dark. And you can also adjust the brightness or turn it off altogether. Controls on your wheel, so you have a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, along with blind spot monitor, which is really helpful for motorway driving. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must in the winter. Memory seats, ideally for several people driving the car. And a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. This car's also got a head-up display, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road. And you can adjust things such as the brightness, the positioning, or the content that you would like to see in front of you, depending on your own preference. This car's done 10,710 miles, and stepping back outside the car, that was a stunning Discovery. If you're interested in this vehicle, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.